Nakakainis talaga yun. Oh, yes, it's not the end of the world. Kaso nakakainis. When I think about it, it's nakakainis. Good morning, Practicalers. This is your Practical Life Coach, Coach Tristan, and welcome to another vlog or what we can call practical living with your practical coach, Coach Tristan. So, for today's topic, we're gonna talk about when things don't go right. And honestly, I'm not supposed to have this vlog. I'm not supposed to post this content because I was supposed to go biking. But First things first, I don't bike when it's raining. So when I woke up, I checked the Google weather. And it says there's just 20% chance of rain. And based on the timeline, the entire 24 hours of today, it's not supposed to rain. But lo and behold, when I came downstairs, it was already drizzling. And now, it's a full blast rain already. But what made it worse was when I went to the basement to get my bike. Wala eh. For some reason, my front tire is flat. I don't know why. I just put some air in it. I think it was just 2 days ago. I was still able to use it. But I guess I'm not meant to run. Baka there are some people out there who needs this content. And siguro, you can at least benefit from the 2 cents I'm gonna say about when things go wrong. No? So I know it's such a cliche when you say na you always have to see the silver lining in everything or to see the glass half full. No? It's a good idea and there's nothing wrong with being positive, but let's face it, sometimes it's hard to be positive when things go wrong. So what do we do when things go wrong? If you feel like you want to be positive, if you feel that you can see the glass full, go ahead. But real talk tayo kasi nasa practical coaching tayo. And for me, there are really days that it's hard to see the positive in the bad things that's happening around us. So, I guess the way to deal with it is what I usually say. You have to feel what you have to feel. So, if you feel you're in a rut that day, it's difficult for you to have the willpower to be positive. I guess allow yourself for a few minutes to feel that way because I guess you owe that to yourself. Because I think one way to cope is to also accept how you actually feel. Because sometimes, again, also with SOCMED, I'm not being negative. It's just that I'm a practical coach. There's too much positive content out there that parang ang hirap to really be real with what you feel because a lot of people, apart from SOCMED, would tell you, you just have to always be positive, diba? And sometimes, with that false positivity, lalo kang tumatagal dun sa stage na naiinis ka, diba? So ako, for with what happened today with me, no, nakakainis talaga yun because I would want to bike today, no? And in our community kasi, especially it's a weekday today, it's hard to bike when it's later in the morning. So I woke up around, I think 6, and I was ready probably after 20 minutes, I was ready to go. And it's only a few times kasi in a week that I wake up that time, and at the same time that I don't have work to do. So, parang when I think about it, it's nakakainis, no? Yes, it's not the end of the world. Kaso nakakainis kasi it's also difficult to have the willpower to exercise, no? Especially the last 3 years for me, or especially last year. It was so difficult for me to pull myself up and like do some physical activities. So nakakainis what happened today. But I guess, not sponsored. I was one good thing about what happened is I'm able to chill here in one of the cafes here in our neighborhood. So it's Auro, no? And with Auro kasi I was able to try their food and their, what do you call this? Their cold chocolate drink. But now I was able to like really try their signature drink, which is I think Davao chocolate. Comment down below po kung mali yung sinabi ko. Kasi right now, medyo hindi ko makita yung menu nila from here. So I think it's Davao chocolate. And yeah, it's good. That's the reason why. Proud local, proud to be Filipino. Good tablea from our chocolate. No? So not sponsored, but those are the things, no, that yeah, I can say that came out of it, no. Yes, I wasn't able to buy, but the good news is I was able to try the signature drink of Auro, and this cafe has been here for like, I guess, in the community for like I think 2, going 3 years. But since I'm not really choco drinker, no, it took me some time for it and for me to try it. And I guess the universe, God allowed me to try it to put some happiness in this supposed to be a bad start to the day. So that's one perspective of how to look at it, no? First is to feel what you have to feel. So if you feel shitty, go ahead. Feel that way. Allow yourself to feel that way. But eventually, ikaw din ang talo eh. You have to think about it. That's how I thought about it. Okay, it rained. So, kasi the reason why it's a big factor also that it rained is because at least I can still do a lot of things assuming it did not rain. Assuming that my tire got flat. If it wasn't raining, I can still like do, kasi po, ang aking mga sports lahat slow. Slow biking, which is city biking. Slow running. Alam nyo naman si Coach Chris, thunders na, no? So I can still run. But since it was raining, I don't want to run because I don't want to run in the treadmill because parang I also want to like feel the energy of the community because it also helps me have a good start to the day. So I ended up doing one of my favorite things, which is people watching, and you're people watching with me. Kaya nga po yung backdrop nyo ngayon is the morning rush, no? The morning rush in the community. So yes, I guess you just have to like feel what you have to feel, but have a timeline for yourself. And when you have a timeline for yourself, that's the time that since you were able to let out your negative emotions about what happened, which is just, you owe that to yourself, you have to be real about how you feel, move on na po tayo. Move on. Ano yung po pwede mo pang gawin that can make you happy, no? So, sa akin, people watching, and I love trying new things, trying new food, new drinks. So, I guess it's a blessing in disguise. So, I hope with what I've shared with you, Practicalers, nakatulong po ako for you to cope with a bad day, no? And, or when things don't really go your way, no? So, dalawang bagay, yung sinabi ko, feel what you have to feel. I always say that. So, if you're feeling bad about what happened, allow yourself. And then from there, try to do something productive. Try to do something that will make you feel good. Because at least it will offset, no? It might not be the best day. It might not really turn things around. But at least you feel kind of good about the situation and not be really parang burdened with what happened. So, Practicalers, I hope that you can like, share my content, follow my SOCMED. For FB and IG, it's Practical Coaching by Kristan. And for X, YouTube, and TikTok, it's at Coach Kristan. And this is your practical life coach, Coach Kristan, reminding you, dream big, live passionately, pray hard.